Good morning, guys. Scenery Collective's back. Today we're going to be going to Idyllwild and we're going to be doing a peak. So we're going to be doing South Ridge Trail to Taquis Peak today. It's going to be pretty cool. There should be a lot of snow and ice, so we brought ice bikes, and we also have one ice axe as well. So we'll see you guys probably on the way there. Probably almost round off the trailhead. We got like 2.5 hours left. Hey, Scenery Collective.
Oh, come on.
We're here. It's insane. This is Kyle. This is Alex. We're gonna get some gloves because Alex.
Hey, and we're getting ramen after.
You're gonna get some hot ramen after this hike.
And it's all on Jordan.
No, it's not.
It's on Jordan.
It's so cold and icy, but like we've never seen anything like this. The snow here is the peak view is gonna be insane. We're in the store right now, getting some snacks. Alex is getting gloves because he was irresponsible and didn't bring any. I'm genuinely so excited. Like, this is probably going to be the coolest hike that we've ever done in California. At least near us, Southern California. It's going to be insane. Crazy ice. It's going to be like we're going to go out to this fire tower at the top, have food there. I'm so excited. We'll see you guys. We're walking, but we have not started the hike. Jonah's car, we didn't have any like chains. We have to walk like an extra 1.5 miles. And 2 cars just crashed, which are definitely more capable than his, so it's good that we're on foot. Alex with my ice axe. Pretty icy out here, he put up spikes.
It's our ice axe.
We still haven't even started the trail yet. Look at this, it's absolutely insane out here. I don't know if we're going up there, we're going somewhere, some peak. And then, wow, like this is, look at that Suicide Rock. It is insane. So beautiful. I cannot wait till the peak, and I want to say everything up there. We'll see you guys. I know. Absolutely insane. We started the hike. We got 8 miles, 3,000 feet of elevation gain. Probably, definitely the prettiest hike we've ever done already in California. But it's awesome, so I'll be just.
It's just crazy because it snowed so much.
I know. Insane. I'll just be playing clips because it's so beautiful. Some deep snow. It is so pretty. We've never done a hike where it's just pure snow. Like there's no trail. I mean, the trail is the snow. It's tiring, but it's insane. Oh, I'm tired. I forgot my glove, so I had to run back and get it. Holy moly. It is a hard hike. The snow is not making it any easier for us. 2 to 3 feet every step. So much extra effort. Jonah's gone ahead. I'm in the middle. Alex and Kyle are in the back. Insane. Difficult, but beautiful. snacks here. Taking a break.
Blueberries.
Thank you. Damn, fruit on hikes is so good.
Well, I forgot to bring some tangerines.
Yeah, I don't think we have to.
Yeah. So far we've been hiking on a road, which when there's no snow, it's accessible by car. So we could have saved like 3 miles.
It's actually a little.
Okay. That's,
Oh, this one feels nice.
I know.
Okay, like this is actually.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, not this. Everything else is insane. It's genuinely so pretty. The trail got a little bit better, but there's still parts where the floor is insanely deep. And every like 5 seconds, you'll just hear everything crumbling around you. It sounds insane. Trail's definitely easier than the beginning. Still hard. It was hard to navigate. Just the extra effort that makes it that much worse. But man, it is so pretty. We're making okay time. A little bit stressed because we have to be back in our city. So if we don't get to the peak by 3, we'll head back. But I'm hoping, I think we will. What time is it? Like 10, 30?
11.
It's 11 right now. So we got around 4 hours to get to the peak. We'll see if we make it. We're looking at this mountain, thinking about how crazy it looks. And we just realized that we did this one back in October with some insane scrambles. It is a crazy view out. I'm motivated. I'm going crazy fast. All right, we're doing better. I don't know, I doubt you can see because this is already a zoomed out camera, but this mountain right ahead of us has the tower on it, which we're gonna go to. So that's it, but it's gonna be a bit. This snow is so like soft, but still pretty deep. We're doing a lot better. Snow is insanely deep. We were following the path of someone with snowshoes. We saw him and he was turning back, saying he was too tired, which means that we now have to make our own path. We're still able to use the path that Jonah and Alex made it, but man, it makes things just a little bit worse, which is not something we need on a hike like this. Shit. Snow icicles are falling down on my head. Hey guys, change of plans. We've been waiting for Kyle for a bit here. We're not gonna make the final push because we're kind of running low on time and some of us are more tired than others. So we're just gonna stay here and set up camp on this insane view right here. I'm gonna cook some food, some chicken pesto pasta, Peak 2, the brand.
Oh, it's gonna be rolling the clouds, bro.
Jonah's making a little seating for us. And it's pretty crazy over here. We keep, like, there's an avalanche from this tree like every 5 seconds. It's insane. So I might show some videos of me cooking. See you guys. Hey guys. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna move.
Since we decided to stop here, we're gonna make our food. Well, not some of our food. Alex made 2 turkey sandwiches, and he's about to give me his second one, so I'm ready for that.
I'm not getting anything.
You got a stove kit. I got this peak chicken. That's my video. 34, 31. We got 5 ounces of water. We got fire. And now to make this boil faster, we're just gonna put this lid on top and we'll know it's done boiling when this lid lifts. Okay, the water has boiled very fast actually compared to normal. Lots of avalanches. Make sure you take this out. I'm gonna mix it. Wait around 10 minutes.
Well, you can just stay here.
Alright guys, this might be the last video. This is the food we made. Some avalanches, crazy views. The camera's about to die. If anything's crazy, I'll record it on my phone. But we'll see you guys. Thank you for watching.